In this video, we will learn how to evaluate formula in Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel sheet. I have a simple data. Units into price is equal to amount. So in amount column, I used here the simple formula C2 into D2. Okay. It is a simple multiply calculation. Okay. Then I select the E2. Okay. This formula. Then go to the formula tab. In formulas editing group, have an option evaluate formulas. Just click on it. Here the one dialog box is open. In the reference showing you the sheet name, this is the sales data, and selected cell is the E2. I select this cell E2. Okay, E is a column and 2 is a row, E2. Then this cell evaluation formula is here in this box. So in E2 have a formula C2 into D2, and below side have a showing the some note, okay, some message to show the result of the underlying expression. In this formula underlying expression is a C2, okay. To showing the result of the underlying expression, click the evaluate. If you want to see the result of the C2, then click on the evaluate is a 95. Here the unit is a 95 means C2 is a 95 is taken here. Okay. Then the most recent result appear italic. Okay. This is a 95 is a showing the italic is the most recent result. Now D2 is underlined. The showing the result of the D2. Just click on the evaluate is a 2000. Now 2000 is a showing italic. It's the most recent result appear, okay, in italic as mentioned here. Okay, then again I click the evaluate option, is showing the again italic 1,90,000. It's the most recent result appear as mentioned here. So this is a way you can evaluate your formula. This is a simple formula, is a small formula, but sometime in Excel, we are using the so many big formula also with the VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP combined. That time you easy to evaluate your formula, how to calculate this amount. Okay. If you not understand the formula, you can use this evaluate formula option and you understand how it's calculate, how it's done the calculation. Okay, by using the different amount from your data. So this is also helpful to understand the formula. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.